Dear students, most welcome to your video. I think everyone is fine. I am fine too. Now let's go to the video. Dear students, we are learning in this video this and that. We are learning in this video this and that. In this chapter, this and that, we are introduced three parts. Brain teasers, Mark-E-Magic and directions. First one brain teasers, next one Mark-E-Magic and last one directions. First one brain teasers. Okay, first one brain teasers. Part A is how the vision through the surface of mirror is. A part is how the visions through the surface of mirror is. Okay, and the next one B part. Notice the table given in part B. The answers in thinking like this: 2, 6, 14, 13, and the next number which one? Given in part B, the answer lies in thinking like this: 2, 6, 14, 13. Then next one. How is counts 6 after 2, 14 after 6, 13 after 14. Next one, which one it is? Plus that it's gone. Okay, dear students, next answer 62. Okay, dear students, and next one 27, 64, 125, 2, 1, 6. Okay, next answer, next number, which one? Dear students, please listen. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Okay, and the next number 4 into 4 into 4, answer 64. Okay, dear students, and next one 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Okay, and the next one 6 into 6 into 6, answer 2, 1, 6. Okay. And the next one, if have 7 into 7, answer which one? 7 into 7 into 7, answer 343. Okay. Dear students, and next one, please listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next column, not have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not have 2, next column 3, 4, 5, 6. And the next column not have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if our next column not have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, dear students, and listen here. This column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the next one I, J. Okay, here please listen. 9 after 8, 7, 6. In this column 5. Okay, dear students, and the next one C part, and the next one C part. Answer these questions. A boy and a doctor are fishing. A boy and a doctor are fishing. The boy is the doctor's son, but the doctor is not the boy's father. Who is the doctor? Doctor is his mother. Okay, and the next one, how many minutes made the month of February in the year 2004? 2004. How many minutes make the month of February? Okay, dear students, 1 hour 60 minutes. Okay, if how 24 hour into 60, 24 hour into 16, answer 1440. Okay, dear students, 2004 February has 29 days. February has 29 days. Okay, answer 29 days into 1440. Answer is okay. And the next one, if 11 into 12 equal 23 and 65 divided 13 52 and 55 plus 15 equal 825, then what is the value of 205 divided 20 into 95 plus 60? Answer is okay, dear students, and the next one, if is for this 16 difficult 81, then what is the value of wrong? Answer 25. Answer is 25. Okay, and the next part, math is magic. Math is magic. Dear students, a part, fill in the missing numbers by observing the pattern as given in the example. Fill in the missing numbers by observing the pattern as given in the example. Please listen. The sum of the two is given in the next column, and the answer in the bottom column is the multiply this by. Okay, dear students, one more. The sum of the two is given in the next column, and the answer in the bottom column is the multiply this by. Okay, and the next column answer. Okay, dear students, please listen. Total 2 into 2 plus 1 into equal 3. 3 into multiply, answer 9. Okay, and the next column. Next column. Plus 3, answer 5. 5 into 5, answer 25. Okay, dear students. Answer B part. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. How many sides does a hexagon have? How many sides does a hexagon have? 6 sides. Next one, what is the square root of 144 equals? Answer 12. 5 to the power of 0 equals what? Answer 1. What is the next prime number after 7? Answer is 11. Okay, dear students, what is a prime number? What is a prime number? A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. 2, 3, 5, 7, and the next one 11. Okay, dear students, and the next one, what does 3 square equal? What does 3 square equal? Answer 9. Okay, and the sixth one, and the trapezoid feature how many pairs of parallel sides? Answer 1. Next one, each internal angle of square measures how many degree? Answer 90 degree. How many sides does an octagon have? Answer 8. How many points are there in a pentagon? Answer 5. In an isosceles triangle, how many sides are equal length? Answer 2. Okay, dear students, and the next one, C part, solve the problem. Solve the problem. Kavita spent half the money she had on her dinner and half of that amount on movie tickets. She now has for how much money did she have initially? Kavita spent half the money she had on her dinner and half of that amount on movie tickets. She now has rupees 4. How much money did she have initially? Answer 16. Okay, dear student, if 7 girls write 7 pages in 7 minutes, in how many minutes can one girl write 1 page? Answer simply 7 minutes. Okay, dear students, and the next one, a mother has 4 daughters. Each daughter has 4 daughters. How many female members are there in the family? Okay, dear students, please listen one more. A mother has 4 daughters. A mother has 4 daughters. Each daughter has 4 daughters. Each daughter have 4 daughters. Answer 16. How many female members are there in the family? Okay, answer is simple. Daughters total 16 and a mother and her 4 daughters 5. Answer is 21. Okay, dear students, and the next one, use the digit 8 times with only the plus sign to get 1000 as the answer. use the digit 8. 8 times with only the plus sign to get 1000 as the answer. Okay, dear students, please listen. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, dear students, answer 1000. Okay, dear students, this and that. Okay, some questions have very difficult, some are very thinking. Dear students, there are brain teasers type questions, and this chapter is very tough. I hope you understand this chapter. Okay, dear students, thank you everyone, and next video, next chapter.